Hello, my name is Danny, and I'm going to create the most popular Dominican dessert, and it's called pudding de pan or bread pudding. The ingredients are 4 or 5 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 liter of whole milk, 1 spoon of vanilla, 1 pinch of salt, 1 cup of sugar for the syrup, 5 or 6 bread, of course. Preparation. In a big bowl, put the bread and the whole milk and let it stand for 5 minutes until the bread absorbs the milk. After 5 minutes, put the condensed milk, egg, vanilla, pinch of salt and mix it all ingredients. Let it stand while you make a syrup. For the syrup, put 1 cup of sugar and a little water in a pan at low fire. Don't move until everything is mixed and thick. The syrup is ready. Be careful not to turn up the heat because it can burn. Pour the syrup into the pudding mold. Let it stand for 3 minutes until it has cooled. After it's cold, it's time to pour the pudding mixture into the mold and place in the preheated oven for 45 minutes at 180 in a bain-marie. Try not to open the oven or uncover the mixture until the 45 minutes have passed. It can be damaged and become hard. When it's ready, you can remove from oven, let it cool, and then mold it and enjoy.